Hey, what's up everybody? Chef Mikey here from Chef's Harvest Farm. I just wanted to hop on here and just give the quickest little garden tour ever, just because the garden's looking real good this morning and I'm about to start harvesting stuff. So, if you've seen any of my last videos, this used to be the hemp garden. So this has all been replaced with carrots in the middle, arugula here, and I got radishes and turnips down there with some electrical conduit and agribon on a pool cover roller here, so I can just pull it all right over in a matter of seconds, and if I don't want it there anymore, I'll just roll it right back up. So I'm gonna make a whole video about that soon. I'm about to harvest all this Salanova lettuce. I've got orders for restaurants for about 50 pounds this week, plus I can sell another 25 pounds at the farmer's market. Bed of dill, carrots, more herbs, Salanova lettuce that I'll be getting a second cut off, carrots, onions, some more carrots. I'll be harvesting those this week. Another succession of carrots, beets looking good. These 4 beds are all lettuce and spinach here, so I'll be able to pull row cover right over all 4 of those at once also. So we're supposed to get our first frost this week, so I'm planning to cover the whole garden basically. Some spinach, it's just coming up here. Broccoli looking good. Direct seeded lettuce, some more carrots. Arugula is getting harvested today or tomorrow. Celery looking good. Another round of carrots right here. I've already cut both these beds of Salanova lettuce once, so these are the second cuts. I'm going to harvest this week also. This will be my 3rd cut on this spinach. And then I just seeded this bed of Salanova lettuce. Hawkeye turnips ready to be harvested. Radishes, I've already harvested them, all the big ones, and I'll come back and harvest all the big ones again this week. Row of beets over here. I got some watermelon radishes right here, some carrots, and then just back in the nursery house where I've got some turnips and radishes over here, onions down the middle. On the outside there, I've got a little winter rye cover crop on the side of the tunnel just to help with erosion control, because I have water problems rushing off this tunnel in the winter. And then those little carrots on the other side there are actually Atlas carrots, so that'll be fun. And then right back into the nursery, y'all. Thanks for following along, y'all. I'm gonna be putting out a video about this pool cover roller here real soon, so make sure you like and subscribe, and so you get notified when that video comes out. And thanks for all the support. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.